Prince is back with another video. Welcome to the Prince's Palace, where I talk about your health, wealth, and yourself. In this video, we're talking about, and this video is for pure entertainment purpose only, and it's about the stock market. It's about the stock market, so, I'm not going to tell you how to invest your money in what companies, but it's all about doing your own research. And then how the story all started was back before when I started. It's been like about December 29th when I started, when a friend was telling me, just catching up with him. He's all like, yeah, just been doing the stock market thing. So he explained to me more a little bit about it. So then I started doing it. He uses Webull and I use Webull too. And then, and I'm going to leave a link in the description. If you click on that link, I get some free stocks. You get some free stocks just by signing up and you depositing at least $100. And so, it's been really good doing the stock market. There's companies out there that they're established. Yeah, they're established. You got Microsoft, Apple, Amazon. These companies are good to go. The problem is the stock's already so high that you're not going to get a lot of shares of that stock unless you invest like tens of $20,000s of dollars into these stocks. So what I've been doing lately, and it's been, say you have a company just starting off, you don't know where they're going to be in the future. They can go big, or if their sales doesn't go up, they can go down. But there's been, say you got a company that stock costs $1. So with that $1 stock, you put in, say, $1,000, and if it goes up just to the next dollar, you're looking at double your money. That's $2,000. But if it goes down 10% or 20%, you're losing $100, $200. So it's all about where you're going to put that, where you see the company going and all this good stuff. So it's been really good. I feel like I had some success with it. And I don't know, I really wish I would have thought about this earlier, because, you have your typical savings account where, you put some money in the savings account, it's just there. But in the banks, they're not going to pay a ton of money. They're not going to pay a ton of money just to make your money grow. So that's why the stock market, the stock market, it's always going to do this. It's always going to do this, go up and down, up and down. So you're looking for that company that you're going to go straight up, not too fast, because this is a long-term investment. I do long-term investments because, I don't have a ton of money. So then we're going to see just the money grow a little bit here, a little bit there. And it's just been really good. Leave a comment down below what you think. It's just this is not financial advice. Yeah, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, but this is a health, wealth, and yourself channel. So I want to improve your wealth, and I'm glad I'm doing this. I'm really glad I'm doing this, and I know that you guys can do it too. If you guys got the extra cash by hand, just put a couple of $100 here or there. Dealing with the virus right now, so a lot of things been going down. Once that virus hit March, boom, all these companies went straight down. You closed up all this stuff, but then that's where things got cheap. Most of these stocks got cheap, so you buy the dip. And then once you buy the dip, the charts become cheaper and then go up. What else been going on? I'm really glad I'm doing this. And the banks, back to the bank thing. Yeah, the whole bank thing. It's good to leave your money there, but like with the stock market, just like, wow, you've seen like your money grow even more than the bank, because bank's not paying you that much for a savings account. So, it's been really good. Check it. It's got to be a check daily thing. So I've been checking the stocks daily, and you got the whole episode with the whole GameStop and AMC thing, and that was pretty intense. We had a ton of people make millions and everything, and most of the market kind of semi-crashed. Everything was going down because everyone was like going into this whole GameStop thing, and now it's like going down. AMC, same thing, did like the short squeeze, and now went down a little bit. But I really want to help out you guys, and if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. And till the next video, peace over and out.